everyone, granting to you. This is Dilshita. I am grade 6th class. 6th. I am grade 6th. My father name was Sri Anjaneya. My father name was Sanjeev. My mother name was Marthamma. I have a 1 older brother. His name was Gautam. His granddad is my hobbies is playing cricket, cycling and reading books. My father is house construction. My mother is housemaker. My mother is housemaker. My hobby is my goal is IPS officer. Thank you.